Dear students, best wishes. In this lecture, we shall do a revision of the change of voice, some more sentences, some miscellaneous sentences, mixed sentences, sentences of different types we shall do. First sentence is break the door open. Let the door be broken open. Let the door be broken open. People laughed at him. He was laughed at. इस by the people on the कोई लोड़ नहीं. He was laughed at. लेकिन जे तो उथों लग भी जाता by the people ਤਾਂ कोई एडी गल नहीं, वैसे लोड़ नहीं हैगी. Do you understand that? Is that understood by you? Is that understood by you? Forgive me. दो ढंग नाल करांगे. You are requested to forgive me क्योंकि खिमा मंग रहे हैं तो you are requested to forgive me या let me be forgiven. I cannot tell a lie. A lie cannot be told by me. Next, what kind of work would you like? What kind of work? इस तरह रहेगा कि what kind of work would be liked by you? She overheard him talking. He was overheard talking by her. तो overhear ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣ ਲੈਣਾ. Vegetable oil is used in cooking. People use vegetable oil in cooking. The man was summoned. Summoned means officially called, legally called. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਨ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ. The man was summoned. The police summoned the man. The judge summoned the man. The officer summoned the man. You are hiding something from me. Something is being hidden by you from me. Something is being hidden from me by you. किस तरह कर लिए? Next, we had to arrange everything. Everything had to be arranged by us. It is said that might is right. ਹੁਣ it is said ਦਾ ਹੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ. People say that might is right. Might is right mean ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਾਕਤ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਸਿੱਧ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਅਤੇ ਜੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਹੈ, ਅਖਾਣ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੀ ਲਾਠੀ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਮੈਂਸ ਜਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਕੀ ਲਾਠੀ ਉਸ ਕੀ ਭੈਂਸ. He has been made the captain of the team. The principal ਕਹਿ ਦਈਏ, the officer ਕਹਿ ਦਈਏ, the coach ਕਹਿ ਦਈਏ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ object ਲਾ ਲਈਏ. The coach has made him the captain of the team. Let them drink one more glass of wine. Let one more glass of wine be drunk by them. We elected him our leader. He was elected our leader by us. I am not interested in such films. Passive voice in ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਾਈ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ. Such films do not interest me. Such films do not interest me. Let your soul be saved. Save your soul. Save your soul. What surprises you? What surprises you? What are you surprised at? By whom has my pen been stolen? Who has stolen my pen? Was he not serving two masters? Were two masters not being served by him? He was praised by his father. His father praised him. The road was lined with people. Passive voice आ was ਲੱਗਿਆ थर्ड फॉर्म है लेकिन lined ਨਾਲ with ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ by ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ people lined the road. We shall be blamed by everyone. Everyone will blame us. Shakuntala was written by Kalidas. Kalidas wrote Shakuntala. Shakuntala is a very famous play written by our great writer Kalidas. He was crowned king. Passive voice है object सानू लाना पऊगा. People crowned him king. People crowned him king. My purse had been lost. I had lost my purse. I had lost my purse. Promises should be kept. We should keep promises. Yeah, one should keep one's promises. Let the order be given. Passive voice give the order. Give the order. The president was welcomed by the people. The people welcomed the president. English is spoken all over the world. Object लामागे. People speak English all over the world. People speak English all over the world. The mangoes taste sour. The mangoes are sour when tasted. The principal honored me with a medal. I was honored with a medal by the principal. We must listen to his word. His word must be listened to by us. Shall I ever forget those happy days? Will those happy days be ever forgotten by me? Do not insult the weak. Let the weak not be insulted. जापा कर दिए. You are forbidden to insult the weak. You are prohibited to insult the weak. One cannot gather grapes from bushes. Grapes can't be gathered from bushes. By one नहीं लाना. I saw him cooking the meals. He was seen cooking the meals. The mason is building the wall. The wall is being built by the mason ला सकते हैं. The hungry boy was looking at the cake. The cake was being looked at by the hungry boy. He handed her a chair. She was handed a chair by him. या इदां हो जाए कि a chair was handed to her by him. Our next sentence is let us do it now. Let it be done now by us. Post this letter please. ਹੁਣ ਇਸ please ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ. You are requested to post this letter. You are requested to post this letter. Do it at once. Let it be done at once. ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ you are ordered to do it at once. Ordered ਜਾਨੀ third form ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਆਪਾਂ. Your conduct pleases me. I am pleased at your conduct. Pleased with a person ਹੁੰਦਾ at a thing. I am pleased at your conduct. Will he have broken the door? Will the door have been broken by him? ਜਦੋਂ will shall ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਲੱਗੂ has ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ. I do not like him. He is not liked by me. He writes a poem. A poem is written by him. I broke my arm in an accident. My arm got broken ज़्यादा ठीक आ, या my arm was broken कर लिए, by me लाउन की लोड़ नहीं. My arm was broken in a fight या in an accident, जो भी दिता होवे. You will host a lunch. A lunch will be hosted by you. You are denying it. It is being denied by you. Deny ਹੁੰਦਾ इनकार करना यानी मुकरना किसी गल तो. Hold your tongue. Let your tongue be held. Be अलग लिखना, held अलग लिखना. Hold ਦੀ ਤੀਜੀ फॉर्म held. ਇਹਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਹੁੰਦਾ hold your tongue means अपनी जुबान ਨੂੰ ਲਗਾਮ ਦਿਓ. Let your tongue be held. Don't call anybody. Let nobody be called. Yeah, you are forbidden to call anybody. Did you hear anything? Was anything heard? H-E-A-R-D ਨੂੰ heard ਬੋਲਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ, heard ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਣਾ. Was anything heard by you? You have kept the rule but broken the spirit. The rule has been kept but the spirit has been broken by you. I will arrange for a helicopter. A helicopter will be arranged for. A preposition ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ arrange ਨਾਲ. A helicopter will be arranged for by me. I did not know the technique of fasting. The technique of fasting was not known to me. What do you need? What is needed by you? What is needed by you? All of us were cheering our team. Our team was being cheered by all of us. Cheer ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾੜੀਆਂ ਪਾਉਣਾ, ਵਕਫ ਕਰਨਾ. Somebody has already swept my room clean. My room has already been swept clean. My room has already been swept clean by somebody नहीं लाना. Let us forget the past. Let the past be forgotten by us. Let the past be forgotten by us. Time once past cannot be recalled. ਭਾਵ ਕਿ ਬੀਤਿਆ ਸਮਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਬੀਤਿਆ ਸਮਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ. ऑब्जेक्ट आप कोलों लावांगे पैसिव वॉइस आ. वी कैन नॉट या वन कैन नॉट या पीपल कैन नॉट रिकॉल टाइम वंस पास्ट. इट वॉज फेल्ट दैट ही वॉज सिक. इट वॉज फेल्ट नूं करना आपां एक्टिव करना. वी फेल्ट दैट he was sick. We felt it ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ. We felt that he was sick. The book is selling well. The book is being sold. The book is being sold well. The house is building. ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ. The house is being built. God blessed her with a son. She was blessed with a son. By God ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ. Understood? She was blessed with a son. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Passive voice ਆ. with ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਾਈ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ. Good intentions pave the road to hell. ਭਾਵ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਰਕ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸੜਕ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਪੇਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਨੇਗੇ ਉਹ ਚੰਗੇ ਇਰਾਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ. ਇਕੱਲੇ ਇਰਾਦਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ. ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਗਾ ਕਿ ਨਰਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਕੱਲੇ ਇਰਾਦੇ ਨੇ ਚੰਗੇ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਸਵਰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ. ਜਾਣੀ ਇਰਾਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਤਾਈਓ ਉਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਸਵਰਗ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਭਾਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਕਹਾਵਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਦ ਰੋਡ ਟੂ ਹੈਲ ਇਜ਼ ਪੇਵਡ ਵਿਦ ਗੁੱਡ ਇੰਟੈਂਸ਼ਨਸ. ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਪੇਵਡ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਦ ਲਾਇਆ 22 ਥਾਂ 'ਤੇ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲਾਈਨਡ ਵਿਦ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਵਰਡ ਵਿਦ, ਸੈਟਿਸਫਾਈਡ ਵਿਦ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ, ਓਵਰਗਰੋਨ ਵਿਦ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਲੀਜ਼ਡ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਦ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਐਟ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਪਲੀਜ਼ਡ ਵਿਦ ਏ ਪਰਸਨ, ਐਟ ਏ ਥਿੰਗ। ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ। ਇਸ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਆਫ ਵੌਇਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਖਤਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ, ਬੈਸਟ ਆਫ ਲੱਕ। ਘਰ ਰਿਵਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰੋ, ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰੋ। ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਈਮੇਲ 'ਤੇ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ। ਬੈਸਟ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ, ਗੋਡ ਬਲੈਸ ਯੂ, ਬੀ ਹੈਪੀ, ਬੀ ਹੈਲਦੀ।